the snow. At a music festival. Underwater. In the bar bathroom. Traffic. In a hammock. On an airplane. In the ocean. In your parents' bed. On a bearskin rug. On a trampoline. At a party. On the beach. In front of a mirror. On a boat. In the hot tub. In the pool. Kitchen. On the floor. In a tent. On a counter. In the car. In the shower. The great outdoors.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.